Hello, in front of me I've got Lamzu Inca. In this video I'll show you how to install sliders. In the beginning, take a look at the original package of your mouse. Right here you will find two sets of sliders. Firstly, take a look at those. Those are anti-slip sliders for the top of the mouse. For example, you can use it here. And here we've got sliders for the bottom of the mouse. Firstly, remove it from the firm. This is very sticky. Take a look here and now install it here. In the end, remove the blue sticker and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.